day 3 in Edinburgh. मेरे घर पर लोग मुझे ऑस्ट्रिच बुलाते हैं guys. Just the beginning of Edinburgh. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new to this channel, this is me Rashi Chandan. I would really appreciate if you'll take some time and subscribe to my channel below. And आज है day 3 in Edinburgh and today I am going to explore the city and because I've heard a lot of good things about the city honestly कि ये city बहुत pretty है, architecturally बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. So gonna explore that because पहले 2 दिन I didn't get the time to do that and आज हम वो करेंगे और हम क्रिसमस मार्केट जाएंगे जो कि यहाँ पर बहुत फेमस है एंड पीपल से कि एडिनबर्ग का मार्केट एक ऐसा मार्केट है, क्रिसमस मार्केट है जो एटलीस्ट वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम आपको देखना चाहिए. इट इज़ सो फेमस, सो वी आर गोना गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. आई एम ऑल सेट एंड ऑल रेडी. लुक एट माई आउटफिट फॉर द डे. ऑल्दो ये अभी एक और जैकेट के साथ लेयर होगा बिकॉज इट्स क्वाइट विंडी एंड काफ़ी ठंड है बाहर. सो अभी हम चलते हैं एंड आई विल सी यू गाइज ऑन द वे नाउ. बाय. आई रियली होप कि आप एडिनबर्ग की सारी सीरीज़ को अब तक लाइक कर रहे होंगे और अगर आपने पहले के 2 वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो वो भी जाकर देख लो इस वीडियो के बाद बिकॉज मैंने अपने सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर किए हैं कि स्कॉटलैंड में कौन सी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ आपको जाना चाहिए और क्या एक्सप्लोर करना चाहिए. सो अभी हम चलते हैं आज के ट्रिप पर. अभी हम जा रहे हैं डीन विलेज. सो दिस इज़ द होटल एंड अभी यहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं टुवर्ड्स डीन विलेज. अपेरेंटली डीन विलेज इस चीज़ का पार्ट है बट टू हैव द व्यू पॉइंट हमें थोड़ा सा 5 मिनट्स वॉक करना है एंड वहाँ जाना है. तब तक मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ हाउ एग्जैक्टली इट इज़ लुकिंग राइट नाउ. सो आज के ब्लॉग में हम वो सारी जगह एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं जो कि एडिनबर्ग सिटी में बहुत फेमस है एंड हर टूरिस्ट को वो स्पॉट मस्ट कवर करने चाहिए. सो लेट्स गो टू आवर फर्स्ट स्टॉप दैट इज डीन विलेज. This place is more like colorful houses, flowing rivers and fairy tale vibes. It's like a peaceful village in heart of the city. And सबसे best बात ये थी कि ये मेरे होटल से सिर्फ 5 मिनट्स के वॉक पर थी. So मैं कौन सी होटल में रुकी हूँ ये भी मैं आपको बताऊँगी. So वीडियो में बने रहें and end तक I will tell you the name of the hotel as well. This is Dean Village and अब Dean Village से we'll go to Princess Street. Was pretty nice. आप बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स ले सकते हो. Makes you feel like this is a small village जहाँ पे I think Canada कुछ जा रहा है. Not sure. If you will ask me my experience, I would say कि Edinburgh इतनी pretty city है कि after every 2 or 3 minutes you will find something looking very prettier. So in my suggestion, rather than taking bus or trams, I would highly suggest कि you just explore the city by walking. And honestly, इतने सारे stops होते हैं कि you won't even realize कि आप इतने steps चल रहे हैं. Like look at this. This is so pretty. And I think by walk you can cover maximum part of the city. And as I told you कि by walk you will find a lot of treasure. So House of Treasure is one of the things that you can find on Princess Street. And let's go check it out. What is inside the store? this at the top there is the Edinburgh Castle. And if you want to go there, you gotta book your tickets. Ticket starts from £22. So if you have time, because I didn't have the time, but if you had time on that day, you can definitely go and visit that castle. This right at the top, वो right दिख रही है, उसके लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ, because ये one of the reason है कि मैं एडिनबरा आई हूँ. So चलो friends, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ National Museum of Art. This place is also called as the Scottish National Gallery, located on Princes Street. With free entering and stunning views of Edinburgh Castle nearby, it's a perfect cultural stop while exploring the city. Also, it has the most beautiful artworks from Scotland and across Europe as well. So if you're an art lover, this place should be on your list. So after visiting the museum, I went straight away to Victoria Street. So this is me on my way to Victoria Street. This is the National Library of Scotland, which is free of cost to enter. I am not going in at the moment because I have a lot of things to cover right now. As you have seen कि हम और काफ़ी अच्छे stores जा चुके हैं. Museum of what was it? Museum of Contacts जा चुके हैं जहाँ पर काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ें थी. If you have watched Harry Potter, you would relate a lot. And अब हम जा रहे हैं National Museum of Scotland, which is also free to enter. And look at this very old bus. This is the Museum of Scotland. ये वेल का जॉ है. लाइक इसे देख के पता चलता है कि वेल साइज में कितनी ह्यूज होती है, बिकॉज ये बस उसका जॉ है एंड इट इज़ क्वाइट टाइम्स लार्जर देन मी. Which was used to feast around 300 gallon. It used to hold 300 gallon. यहाँ पे कई सारे स्केलेटन्स हैं, काफ़ी एंडेंजर्ड एनिमल्स के. एंड द वन थिंग जिसको देखने के लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी वॉज द डायनासोर स्केलेटन, विच इज़ वन ऑफ द थिंग कि जिसके लिए ये म्यूज़ियम बहुत वाइडली फेमस है. लुक एट दैट. लाइक can you imagine how huge that like animal would have been? यहाँ पर इन्होंने एनिमल्स के एक रियल लाइफ व्हाट वी कैन से कि एक रियल लाइफ स्ट्रक्चर्स बना रखे थे विच वॉज क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग। एंड ये डिफरेंट स्टोन्स हैं जो डिफरेंट जगह पाए जाते हैं। एंड बेसिकली म्यूज़ियम से ज़्यादा ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक म्यूज़ियम के अंदर इन्होंने ज़ू डाल दिया है वेयर द एनिमल्स आर जस्ट नॉट अलाइव। एंड आई डोंट नो कि वीडियो में ये समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं, बट वो जो एनिमल्स थे वो इतने रियल लग रहे थे कि I even got scared of the lion, but yeah, it was quite good. And especially kids were enjoying it a lot. So if you have kids, go with them. And this is ostrich. मेरे घर पर लोग मुझे ostrich बुलाते हैं। They have literally kept so many animals replicas, and not just animals, insects, reptiles, everything was here. Also there was this weight machine which tells you कि आपका weight किस animal के weight के equivalent है। And look at this, my weight was equal to a giant anteater. So it's quite funny. I'm happy because at least I'm not a chimpanzee. नहीं, ये दोनों लड़ाई कर रहे हैं। No fighting guys, no fighting. This was basically a visual representation of everything that we have learned in the school, but in a better way. So they had this in the section where they have kept different stones which comes from the different layer of earth. So yeah, it was quite fascinating. And again, I'm repeating this, if you're going with children, this is a great place to visit. And even if you're going by yourself, I think it's good to explore new things. And it is the National Museum of Scotland. You will find a lot of historic things with there. And in the art section of the museum, I found something which belonged to our country, which is very proud to see that how the culture has changed across globally. And they have kept things from all across the world so that people can come to the museum and see them, the culture, the art, the change, how it happened. From history to the future, they tried to keep everything in line. And also, like the पहली बोर्ड जो बनी थी उससे लेकर तो द लेटेस्ट बोर्ड जो अभी है, which I will show you later. And this is the clothing section of the museum जो हम बाद में जाके विजिट करेंगे. My sister would be very happy to see this. This is a museum of clothes. From the ancient time to the modern time. This section right here was my favorite. It was related to technology, the change in motor engines, and the whole engineering perspective, which I really liked. Like how we started and what we are doing right now is immense, great human achievement. Starting from the very first plane we ever made to the latest one that we use now. Everything was there. First plane, then how it got changed to the modern times. This is the bridge I told you about, the Highlands trip. So if you haven't watched that vlog yet, go check that out now. I have given the link here. Anyone interested in fashion, this place would be a heaven for you. They have fashion from all the times, coming from 80s, 18th century actually, to the current time. This is me living my NASA dream. And this was all about the museum tour. Although the museum was very huge, like एक पूरा दिन लगेगा इस museum को घूमने के लिए. But I would highly recommend, if you're coming to Edinburgh, give your time here. It is totally worth it. देखो ना देखो ना देखो ना
गाय देखो ना देखो ना गाय देखो ना गाय देखो ना.
And then when I was crossing the Princess Street, I saw कि there is a lot of crowd and got curiosity कि ये सब क्यों है. When I saw something unreal and I don't think कि ऐसा कभी exist भी करता है. Look at the size of the owl. मुझे लगता था कि this is all VFX in the movies. But can you just look at it, how huge that is? That owl was 4 kilos. वो इतना perfect और इतना सुंदर था. But at the same time थोड़ा scary भी था. Because I have never looked to any owl this close and this big. उसकी eyes काफ़ी scary थी. But he was very friendly because वो एक pet था. Just like my favorite Harry Potter had one. And if you all don't know, Edinburgh is the place जहाँ पर Harry Potter was born. Look at this. I tried to get closer to the owl, but instantly वो look किया उसने मेरे तरफ and I was like, no, I cannot do it at all. Then from the small girl who was taking the owl, I got the inspiration and I tried with a smaller owl.
His name is Einstein. You can bring him really close.
Sach bolu to initially I was little scared, but with time he was very friendly and his name was Einstein. I think you have heard this before. But yes, he was just 3 years old and very cute. And this was just the beginning of Edinburgh. I have done so much more there. And इस vlog के लिए बस इतना ही. But मिलते हैं part 2 of my day in Edinburgh. Because there's a lot more to be shared. Thank you so much for watching and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. ताकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे interesting vlogs लाती रहूँ.